Have an incredible camping experience with these good ideas. Camping is truly one of the most amazing and unique types of vacations there are, and you will find yours so much more enjoyable if you make sure you are well prepared for it. Check out the following video for some very valuable advice on making your camping trip a total success. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. Select the right sleeping bag for the season. You don't want to sweat all night because you brought a sleeping bag that is suitable for winter in the middle of the summer. On the other hand, if you pack a lighter summer bag during cold weather camping, you are going to not get any rest. Extremely cold weather can bring about frostbite. Keep an eye on the weather. Rain or other conditions may impact your travel time and your experience at the campsite. Make sure that you have gear that is appropriate for the weather conditions that you may face. Adjust your departure time as necessary to try and avoid the bulk of the bad weather, if possible. Chances are, your family and your belongings are going to end up getting dirty. Being prepared for this will make sure you don't stress too much when it occurs. Enjoy the outdoors and get down and dirty. You can return to being clean and civilized when you're at home. Few things offer as much serenity and value than enjoying some one-on-one time with Mother Nature. Hopefully this video has given you all the helpful advice you need to make your camping trip go smoothly and without incident. Keep these tips in mind as you pack for the outing and enjoy every minute of it. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.